Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we are going to look at garden hoses, and not just any garden hose. We're going to look at this hose made by Atlantic. Now, what makes this special is this is actually a 5/8 inch hose. It's going to be able to handle a little bit more water, and it's made from polyvinyl chloride, better known as PVC. That means that it's going to be extremely flexible and long lasting. It's not going to get abrasions and punctures and things like that real easily if you're dragging this across the ground and it happens to hit rocks or sharp objects. It also does not bind up. If you notice, I've got these in a spiral, but it does not kink and push together. I hate hoses that kink, and I'm constantly undoing those kinks to be able to use them. Now, where I use hoses like this is not just my gardening and my watering my lawn and all the typical uses, but I use this a lot when it comes to power washing. I need a very heavy duty, strong hose that's going to hold constant pressure, and that's what these do. They hold very, very well. I do like on this hose also they put a rubber piece at the end, both ends here, so that it does not kink up and bind up. I do like that. I like the fact that it comes with a nice O-ring inside, which actually seals. The threading on this is very nice, and it turns freely. So let's go ahead and hook it up to water real quick, and we are going to put a little water in the bucket, and we're going to see how well this thing actually works. All right, guys, it actually ties to the faucet really well. I just turned on water. There we go. Super nice stream. That is only a quarter of the actual water pressure. You can see it does very, very well. And when I try to kink it, it automatically goes back on its own without any problem. Okay, in full disclosure, normally I have to use open-end adjustable pliers, or what's better known as channel locks in the trade, to go ahead and tighten these on. But this did so well. The threading is so good and the compression is so good on it. All I had to do was hand tighten it without even a drop of water. So if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I would give it 5 stars because I believe the ends are very well made. The threads are great. I love the fact I can kink the hose and it automatically goes back on its own. I love the fact it's 5/8. So if you're needing a great hose, whether it is for an RV, whether it is to water your yard, whether it's for gardening, whether you use it on a power washer, I don't think you're going to go wrong with this hose. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we will see you on the next review.